In this video, I'm going to show you how to open your friends list in Epic Games quickly and easily. If you've ever launched the Epic Games launcher and wondered where your friends list is hiding, you're in the right place. This is a super simple tutorial, but it's one that can save you time if you're trying to jump into a game with friends or check who's online. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your PE. Once the launcher is open, look toward the top right corner of the window. That's where Epic keeps the social and account controls, so you don't need to go digging through menus or settings to find it. On the top right, you'll see your profile icon, and right next to it, you should also see the friends icon. Now all you need to do is click the friends icon next to the profile icon. As soon as you do that, your friends list will open on the screen. From there, you can view who's online, see your friends, and get ready to join up or invite people into your game. If it doesn't open right away, make sure the launcher is fully loaded and that you're signed in to the correct Epic Games account. Sometimes the social panel can take a second to appear, especially if your internet connection is slow or the launcher is still syncing in the background. But in most cases, a simple click on that friends icon is all it takes. And that's it. You've now opened the friends list in Epic Games. It only takes a couple of seconds once you know exactly where to look. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful gaming guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.